Marking an AP full spine. The first line you get, go to the bottom left of the page, click on the vertical line, come back over, find T3. T1 will look like this. It'll have an up and an up on each side. Go down to 2, go down to 3. Click on the spinous process at T3. It makes a line. Without moving your arrow, just click, right click, then left click again. That'll highlight it to a dotted red line. Then scroll down to change annotation color. Go over to the right, go down to the red mark, and leave it there. The line is now red, so you can just left click. The next line, go over to the bottom left again over here. The shortcut box here is that slanted line is the line you use to make lines on the spine. Click on the top left of the hip. Click the collarbone on each side. And then I usually go underneath the teeth to measure the skull, because there's some variations that you can get in the skull that'll prevent it from being the right measurement to look at. Those 3 lines are done now. Those lines don't need to be a different color. Yellow is fine. Now you go to this question mark box right here. That's the dot box. Now you just go to each vertebrae. You don't have to do them in any particular order. There are 3 that we're going to turn into be red dots when we're all said and done here. I'm marking this a little fast just in the effort to make it an easy concept for you to follow. The last one that you mark will be the very tip of C2. It looks like a little pinky finger sticking up. I'll zoom in on it here in a second. I'm making the dot red first. You can click on the magnifying lens with a plus sign in it, and then you just click and scroll up, and you can see the little pinky fingers, this little silhouette part right here, and I just put the red dot right there. A lot of times you'll get a spine that's shifted to the left or to the right. All you do is you go up to the top right here where the measurement tool is, you click on the dot, and then you click on the center line. This one, in this case, is 4.28 millimeters off to the left. Now you can click on the hand tool right next to the magnifying lens up at the top and scroll down. You're going to see some spots in the spine that are particularly tilted, and you can kind of eyeball it. The ones that just seem to stand out, and you just highlight them with that line tool that we used a minute ago for like the hip and the ribs. You just click where you want the first part of the line and click where you want the second part of the line, and then it goes all the way down. And again, see, this side here is off to the side. Right click, go down to red. Now it's a red line. Go up to the measurement tool up at the top. Go to the red dot. Click to the center line and just scroll it down so it's a little easier to see. That's how you mark an AP full spine.